Today, we will be testing a new volatility indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new volatility indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 561 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with our new fractal candles indicator, which the strategy I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new volatility indicator. And so the source video says this volatility indicator is 10 times better than fair value gaps. And so an interesting claim. I'm not sure how many of you know of fair value gaps. If you don't, just do a quick Google search of it. It's a pretty simple idea. And so I can give you a quick explanation of a fair value gap. Fair value gap happens with a 3-candle pattern. So when you have the first candle, second candle, third candle, what you're looking for is you are looking for a gap in between the first and the third candle. And so you see here that the close of the first candle is right here. The close of the, or I guess I should say the high of the first candle is right here. And the low of the third candle is right here. And the area between the two, right here to right here, would be considered a fair value gap. And a fair value gap is used in kind of ICT smart money type trading concepts. And so fair value gaps are in and of themselves a pretty powerful way to be able to spot or identify areas of support and resistance. And this indicator claims to be better than fair value gaps, which is quite interesting and definitely sparked my interest. And so basically a very short version of this indicator is you have moments where you get these very large ranged candles. And anytime it identifies very large ranged candle, it projects a line from the middle of that candle out into future price action. Then as price pulls back into that line and you get a wick through it and a candle that doesn't close, it will give you these dots here. So the theory is that this candle here acts as an area of support and resistance, depending on whether or not it's a green candle or a red candle. And then that area there is the kind of line in the sand that we look for price to pull back to, wick through, and then price should continue either down or up, again, depending on what direction the candle has identified the support or resistance. And so what we're looking for a short trade setup, so we are looking for when we get a red line and the high volatility or large range candle forms like this here. And we are then looking for the red dots to appear like this here. So when we pick up a red dot, that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop at the top, right at the top of the large range candle that formed. This particular case, it's a red candle, a bearish candle, so we're looking for it to go down. Then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for, so we are looking for the green line to appear like this here, and then we're looking for a green dot like this here to appear. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below the candle that formed the green line. So it'd be right about there. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And once again, you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at break even $0, not including any spreads or commissions. And so most likely down a decent little amount after everything was said and done. Now, during the same period of time, using the Academy of Forex indicator and the new Academy of Forex fractal candles indicator combined, we had right at 48 trades altogether with a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $17,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to do it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.